Good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog. So we've had a very slow morning, like getting ready and just chilling. I think because we've been so busy over the past week, we just sort of wanted to have a chill and not be out so early or getting ready to go out so early. So we had a slow get ready. Me and Aiden just been chilling up here. What's up? You laughing at me? No. Okay. And I've just been editing my vlog that's just going up today. I had 2 vlogs go up yesterday, if you didn't know, because I forgot to upload the day before because obviously I was busy and like seeing Aiden and stuff. So I hope you didn't mind, but I have still been vlogging every day, obviously. We're going to Ask Italian at about 3 o'clock. We're going out for some lunch because Aiden's actually got Ask Italian like vouchers. I think they were from his mum's like Tesco Club card, is that right? Yeah, something to do with Tesco Club card vouchers, and Aiden's mum gave him like quite a lot of vouchers. So me, Aiden, Megan and Hattie were all going out for like a late lunch together. I'm very excited. I have no idea what I fancy, so I might look at the menu online to be honest, to see what I want. Oh, I also need to put my new little dog case on. That's so cute, look. I really want to put that on my case. Did I show you this? Yeah. Yeah, I might just sit here and plan some stuff whilst the girls are getting ready, and then we're all going to go and play on the Wii again because we had fun playing on it yesterday. I also need to put some lipstick on. I think I might actually put some of that Glossier Balm. Oh my god, I haven't spoke about this on the vlog yet. I'm going to put it on whilst I'm on camera. Right, so if you haven't watched like what I got for my 20th birthday, or you just didn't know, I just recently turned 20. One of my friends, Sophie from back home, got me this Glossier birthdaybalm.com, and it's one of their like most raved about products, like their balms. And this is the birthday one, and I thought it was just birthday because of the packaging, because it's all like quite like glitzy. This is really low down. I'm gonna just bend down a sec. But it's in this really cute packaging anyway. It's like, I've been keeping it on my little blog section of my room because it's so cute. Oh. But the balm actually looks like this. So it's all glitzy, and I thought that was the reason it was like birthday themed, because it was just a bit like, I don't know, out there, the packaging. But, oh my god, one tuck. It's like a really thick balm that is so soothing, and it stays on your lips for ages. Oh, and it smells and tastes like birthday cake. Like, honestly, it's delicious. The other day when I tried it out for the first time, I literally sprinted downstairs to tell Megan about it. And like opened the door, like I unlocked the door from the outside because she was on the toilet. I was like, oh my god, you need to try this, because honestly, that's how excited I was about it. So nice. But yeah, it stays on your lips for absolutely ages. I think they're around like £11 retail price, but honestly, I'm obsessed with this. And then I also got the Glossier lip gloss, like their clear lip gloss, and that's amazing too. So yeah, I'd highly recommend. I definitely want to try more of their skincare stuff out. Let me know if any of you guys have tried anything from the brand before. It's sort of like mid-range. It's not like really, really expensive, but it's not like affordable, like drugstore stuff, I mean. Yeah, I really want to try some more stuff. I've got like a sample of the milky cleanser that they have, which I'm going to try out someday next week. But if you know anything that you think I should try or would be good for like dry skin, then please let me know. So I've just given, for some reason, a company the other day sent me like a men's tinted moisturiser, and obviously I'm not male. I don't really know why it's like gender, what is it, gender specific? I don't really understand that, but they sent me like a men's tinted face moisturiser. I was like, don't know how I feel about that. So I gave it to Aiden, he's just put some on his face and then reads that he needs to like briefly wash his hands afterwards to avoid discoloration and stuff, and now he's panicking about his face. But I'm sure it will come off if not. A tinted moisturiser would only last like a day anyway, so if it was an actual tanning product then it could last a few days. Oh, you look at me like that, you look fine, nothing's happened to your face. Which one it says?
Who's using that? That's
that
like
one's
one
a
application.
strong one.
Well, I know what to do.
What? If anyone wants to get some themselves, we'll tell you the effects of it later today, in case it does take a gradual while to whatever. But it's a strong everyday tinted face moisturiser for men. It's called Man Polish by Renforth and Goddard. Interesting. Apply thinly to your face using fingertips and avoid facial hair or eyes.
Oh my fucking god.
What? What?
Open my phone and read it.
What? Aiden's just searched up. Come up here. I told Aiden to put that moisturiser on and it stinted and he's just read something and he went vigorous washing of the face in there. I told him it was just a moisturiser.
For those who already have dark skin tone.
I require a deeper skin tone.
You done it. That's been on my windowsill for ages.
Oh my god, thank you. Oh, that made me seriously laugh. So we've just had our meal in Ask Italian. We've left Aiden to pay. Yeah, it looks so bad because we've just left Aiden. Aiden told us to go because we really need to go to Wilko to get some command strips. 10 minutes it's shutting, so we need to run as quick as we can. But yeah, I didn't realise you could get command hooks and there's like a variety, so buzzing. Yeah, it's fine. No, they can't. Yeah, because my oh god, I think it shuts later, you know. Fairy lights. My fairy lights just won't stay up basically, so that's why I'm going in to find some command hooks.
On the escalator.
We're rapidly trying to find where these command hooks are, which is everywhere. So me and Aiden have just command hooked all of these, my lights finally up, because the ones that I was using before, have we got an example of them? I think I'll put them in the bin to be honest, but they were like the tiniest like little plastic hooks that you get, like the see-through ones, but we've gone for these ones that we've just found at Wilko. They were £3, which is maybe a bit expensive. You could probably get them cheaper on Amazon, but they're the white plastic command hooks that are slightly bigger. They can take up to 300 grams, which was more than my previous ones. We've just put 3 up here, we've lined them up. The little battery pack fits perfectly on top of my light, and then I just thought I'd show you a little sneak peek of my room before I do the proper room tour. Thank you very much. But yeah, these are what they look like in case anyone was interested. And yeah, I just need to find the remaining photos that I had in all of these gaps down below, because they fell down the side of my bed when the lights have kept falling down. And then I'm just getting a tapestry that's going to go over here, and then I'll be filming my room tour. I've just got this mirror as well from town.
I look like shit.
It's Sunday, and I didn't end the vlog last night because I thought I'd put these 2 vlogs together, like from Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so I'm putting Saturday and Sunday's vlog together because I didn't really film much yesterday. Woohoo! Go Meg!
We start uni tomorrow.
Yeah, we start uni tomorrow, so I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Inside I'm a bit like, but then I'm like, oh, I'm only in there for 1 hour, so it's not really that bad. But yeah, do it. But yeah, we're gonna play on the Wii all over again because that's what we've been doing the past 3 days. Aiden's still here, he's going home this evening, but we're all just going to play Super Mario. What world are we on?
We need Animal Crossing.
We need Animal Crossing.
On Wii.
No, we need Animal Crossing.
Oh god.
On the Wii. We do need it, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I have it at home. I've never had it on the Wii, I don't think.
You're right, we need it.
What if it's not the same?
Mario Party. Is that good?
I don't know. I might have it. I'll have loads of random Super Mario ones, like Mario and Sonic at the Winter Olympics. Oh, I look so bad. I need to do my skincare all over again. But yeah, we're on like World 5 now, or 6 or something, because we've been playing Mario all evening for the past few nights, and it's been really fun. So yeah, that's why I haven't been vlogging, because our life's been taken over because we're now gamers. This is now becoming a gaming channel. How do you feel about this now being a gaming channel?
I don't know, quite happy.
Anyway,
Right,
let's go.
Controllers.
Oh, just to let everyone know, that's Mario over there, that's Blue Toad, this is Yellow Toad, and that's Luigi. Right, so I haven't really been filming today because I knew that my boyfriend was going to leave. I hate this. I know this might sound stupid to some people, me like filming me crying, because I know it can be quite stupid, but I just thought, because so many people have been they're being so loud downstairs, but so many people have been messaging me like saying that they don't feel comfortable or they haven't really bonded with anyone quite yet. They've gone through some quite difficult experiences so far that yeah, I just thought I'd show this side to me. Like, I'm literally Aiden's just left, and I'm sad because I don't know the next time I'm going to be seeing him. I didn't really see him as much as I'd like to over summer because we were both doing our own things, and I needed to work constantly to be able to pay for this accommodation for where I'm living now. So yeah, I'm just a bit sad because I just hate being separated and not being able to spend a lot of time together. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been vlogging today anyway, because I've just not been in the mood. I hate this because I know I'm going to get hate for crying on camera, like so many people judge me, but I feel like this is worth it to help all those people who've been messaging me this week worried about whether they're going to want to stay at uni or they're struggling in their accommodation to bond with people. Like, I'm going through some hard times still, even though I'm in second year and I have my flatmates. Like, a lot of people think I have a perfect life now because I've got really good friends, which I'm so appreciative of. Like, I do have an advantage in that sense that I've bonded so well with people at uni, but like, there are hard times as well. Like, I do miss like my boyfriend a lot. Like, that's the main thing that gets me upset whilst I'm at uni, because we just don't get to see each other a lot, and there's obviously a lot of pressure from other people that nothing works whilst you're at uni and stuff. And although I'm so secure in my relationship and I know Aiden would never leave me, there's always them doubts that people put in your head. So yeah, I just struggle a lot saying like bye to anyone anyway. Like, I get upset when I say bye to my family and like see them leave. I just don't really cope well with goodbyes. So yeah, I just thought I'd film to take my mind off it, I guess, as well. Like, me just speaking about it just gets out what I'm feeling, and then I'll be able to move on and stop crying. So I guess this is the way I'm going to do it. Well, I don't even know if I'm going to include this clip in the vlog, but I feel like it's a necessity when there's these people who are feeling really sad. And I honestly promise you, if you stick at it, then you will find people that you're going to get on with. My makeup's a mess. You'll find people who you get on with, whether that's through your course. Like, a lot of people are worried because they haven't bonded with their flatmates. Like, I'm lucky to have bonded with one of mine. Like, otherwise I'd have been in the same situation as you. There are so many other people you can meet at uni, like just out and about in the area, like in your town, especially in Lincoln, because the town is so close and there's not that many people apart from students in Lincoln. You will find people who you get on with. There are societies that you can join, some of which are free, so you don't even have to pay for them. You could meet people at like the students' union, like in the bars and things like that. And your course is probably the main place where a lot of people meet their like potential flat housemates in the future. Oh wait, 1 second. Hello? Okay, why? I don't even know what I was saying, but I don't even know what I was just saying, because Hayden just came, he forgot to give me something, but okay. But yeah, just to let you know that I'm not going through like an amazing time right now, even though I'm in my second year and I know what's going on. Like, I know how overwhelming first year can be, so if you do need to speak to anyone, just reach out to me or any other people that might be struggling in the comments below, if any of you are feeling the same way as me at the minute, because I know a lot of people will be feeling this way about their families and just people at home maybe. So yeah, anyway, I'll probably end the vlog here. Sorry this weekend hasn't been as exciting as the rest of the week, but I feel like we've needed to chill out a bit because we have a busy week ahead at uni. Like, obviously it's going to be adapting to this whole new lifestyle again, and seeing as we're away from uni now, we're going to have to wake up a lot earlier to walk to uni because we're further away, and like working out timings of how to get there. And I'm meeting my friends from my course, well, my friend, because one of my friends has like quit now, so I'm meeting one of my friends halfway and we're going to walk to the lecture together. I'm excited to see her actually, because obviously I haven't seen her all over summer, so see, hopefully she's had a good summer and been okay. I will chat to you tomorrow. I'll be vlogging my first day at uni. I don't know if I'll actually film anything because I'm only in for 1 hour, but I'll chat to you about my plans. I'll be organising my life for the week, my food planning and things like that. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be a more positive day. I feel like I've needed this little cry because of the whole overwhelming experience of moving away again. Thank you for watching. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new vlog. Bye.